Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about Karate UI testing in English. This will be a new playlist. With Karate UI testing, you can automate cross-browser web testing using Karate's built-in driver for end-to-end scenarios without external Selenium dependencies. Now I am going to explain the benefits of UI testing in Karate. Unified framework. We can combine API and UI testing in the same feature file. No external dependencies. With Karate, there will be built-in Chrome DevTools Protocol support. Next point is simple syntax. Familiar Gherkin-style commands for browser interactions is used in Karate. There is cross-browser support. That's the fourth benefit. So we can run our test in Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge and Playwright as well. Next, I am going to discuss about the prerequisite for installing Karate. There should be Java in your system. The recommended version is Java 21, or you can use Java 17 as well. There should be a build tool. I will be using Maven as the build tool. There is a quick start Maven archetype to start with Karate UI testing. With a single command, you can install the Karate project. So by using this particular Maven archetype, this will create a recommended project structure with a complete pom.xml configuration. There will be sample test and JUnit 5 runners enabling you to start running Karate test fast. So this is the command we have to use. You can replace the values of com.mycompany and my project as per your needs. So this will be creating a folder called my project and text file extension following Cucumber standards and are organized alongside your Java test classes. The archetype generates a complete project structure with everything you need. Karate test script use the dot feature file extension following Cucumber standards and are organized alongside your Java test classes. Key benefits of the structure will be explained now. Feature files live next to Java files, not in separate folders. Easy to find and manage related test files together. No switching between different source directories. Sample test included to get you started quickly. So these are the benefits of this particular structure which we will be creating using this particular command. So I have changed the group ID and artifact ID according to my needs. So I have given the group ID and artifact ID as Karate UI testing. You can give as per your needs. The first thing we have to make sure that our system should be having Java and Maven. So first I am going to verify that you should be having at least Java 17 and the recommended version is Java 21. Java 17 will also work. Now I am going to verify whether Java and Maven is already installed in my system. To do that, I am going to my file system. So this is where I am going to use the Maven archetype quick start project. So in this location I am going to open the PowerShell. To do that, in the address bar just type PowerShell. So the PowerShell has opened in this particular workspace. So this is the Eclipse workspace where I have created multiple projects. I will be creating the project for Karate UI testing in this location only. So here I am going to verify whether my system is already having Java version or not. I am maximizing the PowerShell. I am using the command java-version. You can see that I am using OpenJDK version 21. So I am not going to show how to install and configure Java version. I have already covered all those videos in my channel. So I am not going to cover that again. Next, we have to verify whether Maven is already installed in the system. To do that, you can use the command mvn-v. You can see that Apache Maven is already installed and configured in my system environment variables. So if you are not getting this type of information in your PowerShell, that means you have not configured Java version and Maven version correctly. So please correct that and use the command for installing the Maven archetype quick start Karate project. So now I am going to copy the command I will be providing all these details in the video description. So this is the command I will be using. So make sure you are changing the group ID and artifact ID according to your project needs. I am pasting the command. Now clicking enter. Just defines one value for the property version. I am giving value as 1. After that, I am giving y to show that I am creating project with name character UI testing. Just give y here. The build is created. Now the next step is to import this particular Maven project in your Eclipse IDE. If you check my directory now, you can see there is a project created with the name character UI testing. Now I am going to import this Maven project. To do that, click on file. There is a import option. There is an existing Maven projects option. Click on that. Click on next. Just browse that project. So this is the project. I am selecting that folder. Clicking on finish. The project has been imported successfully. You can see one character UI testing. So this is a Maven project. You can see there is a source folder created automatically with this architect. There will be some exist. You can see the run is, and also there will be some users.feature which is already created. So there is no need to create project separately. So with this command we can generate the project with all the necessary configuration that is needed to run the character project. So in the next video I will be explaining how to use character for UI testing. So in this file, this is mainly used for API testing. So our focus will be on the character UI testing. So I will be sharing character UI testing topics from the next video onwards. So I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.